In this lesson, we are going to be talking about another important point that follows the title, which is item specifications. Item specifications are as simple as the condition, the type, is it a custom bundle, the type connector, the brand, and so on. So all of those things are also playing a big role. So what are also other things that might be in the specification? Well, it literally can be anything that describes the product or specify the types of products. So in this case right here, we can see, as I said again, the condition, the brand, and all of those types are what's called item specification. So right here, if we open eBay and we search, for example, for an item, which is the same type of item we're looking for. So I'm just going to copy this, paste it. I'm going to click search. So right here, I will be able to find type of products. But right here, as you can see in the left side, eBay helps me find the exact product I'm looking for using item specification. So those right here are in the following side at the left are what's going to help us sell in eBay. Because if we get item specification right, we might find the exact what we're looking for. So for example, if our item is USB 3.0, it will declare that right here. So yeah, all of those things play a big role when it comes to item specification. So let's get into finding the right item specification the right way. So first of all, search for your item in Zik Analytics. Right away, you're going to find a couple of products that are relatable. So I'm going to open 2 to 3 products at least. And I'm going to understand, first of all, are they the same products I'm trying to dropship? So this is my products right here that I'm trying to dropship. And I can find right here that these are similar products. It looks very similar. The description is very similar. And I can find specifications also in the AliExpress listing right here. So yeah, I can find right here that when I scroll down to item specifications, I'm going to do that with every listing right here. So I have 3 listings. Let me make sure that those listings are not duplicates. So we have this seller, we have also this seller, and we have this other seller. So those 2 sellers are the same, but I believe the title is different. So yeah, we can learn something from it. So yeah, let's scroll down from here and let's scroll down here as well. So we can see the condition is the following. So this is the condition. So new, a brand new, unused, unopened, undamaged item in its original packaging where packaging is applicable. Packaging should be the same as what is found in retail stores unless item is handmade or packaged. So this basically just protects himself from a couple of things. So right here, we can see that it's going to be the same thing for everybody. So this basically just new. The item is new. That's about it. The condition is new. And we can see here that, for example, this seller has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And this guy has much more specific items listed. So he has connector A, cable length, type, modified, no, output, and so on. So we would be looking at this listing first of all, and we're going to just be ignoring this because it does not have much details as this one. This one has much more details, and it includes details from this one and more. So this is much better. So I'm just going to keep this one, and I'm going to look at this one, and it's gonna be the same, I believe, since it's the same item. Yeah, that is the same. So I'm just going to stick with this listing right here to build my item specifications. And yeah, I'm done with Zik Analytics. I'm going to look at AliExpress. So I'm looking to high concern chemicals, non-packaged, yes. So I will include package. Does it have the packaging? Of course, in the condition, it has the packaging right here. So original packaging. So type is SATA cable. It's gonna be something right here. So USB specification 3.0. So in my specification, I can add this as well. So in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and copy this right here. And what I suggest you to do is save everything in an online notepad or like a notepad. So I'm going to type online notepad or the app notepad on your computer, whatever works for you. So I'm just going to save the title that we have done so far right here, so that when we try to list the item, we have everything we need to find. So I'm just going to copy the URL of the eBay listing so I can refer to it when I'm trying to build my products right here. So I'm just going to copy the URL and I'm going to keep this in items. And since I know there's no difference, there's no need to copy the URL of this AliExpress products, but just copy it for safety. So I'm going to have it right here just when I'm trying to order the product or something like that. So I'll keep that in mind right there. So item specifications, as I said, it's as simple as that. It's the way people search for our products and try to find exactly what they're looking for. And if our product matches that search result, it will be matched with it. And that's about it for today's lesson. I'll see you in the next one.